Hello friends, welcome to my channel Active Education Pro. Today I am going to solve some numerical problems basic of trigonometry. In my last video already we have discussed about different types of ratios and their sides, which sides ratio with their respective angles, and here these are the examples of from NCERT class 10 mathematics books, and this is the first example I have taken from this mathematics book. So here this is the question. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B, and here given that tan A is equal to 4/3, means this is the only one ratio from trigonometry. Trigonometry has 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cos, sec, cosec, and this ratio is only given to you. This is 4/3, and you know from last video tan A is equal to P by B. Tan A is equal to P by means it is a ratio between perpendicular and base. A is the angle, this is the angle, so this is the hypotenuse, and you know the facing side of this angle, this will be P, means BC is the perpendicular and AB is the baseline. So this is B, P and H, and tan A is equal to P by P and P by B, and is given at 4/3. It means the ratio of perpendicular to base is 4:3, means P is 4x and B is 3x. If you taken as ratio, so P is 4x and B is 3x. So P is 4x, B is 3x. If you want to find all the ratios, then you must have to find out the hypotenuse length. So let's take it. You know, according to Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Here p is what? P is 4x, so 4x square plus square of 3x is equal to h square, square of hypotenuse. Then h will be root over of 4x square, this is 16x square plus 9x square. It will be 25x square root over, and your answer will be 5x. So hypotenuse will be 5x. Then comes to all the remaining ratios. So first ratio will be sine A. Sine A, and a sine of any angle will be the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is what? 4x and hypotenuse is 5x. So its ratio is 4/5. Then cos A, Then cos A. Cos A is the relationship between base and height. Base is what? Base is 3x by 5x. This is 3/5. And the next ratio is tan A, already you have given, this is 4/3. Then next is cot A. Cot A, you know cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. So 1/tan A. So just if a reciprocal of this 4/3 will be 3/4. Otherwise you will take its ratio is B by P. Here B is what? B is 3x. So this is 3x by P is equal to how much? P is equal to 4x. So this will be 3/4. Similarly, then sine, cos, tan already given, this is cot, and then sec A. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos A. So just change the value, numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator when you take the reciprocal of any fractional number. So this is the ratio fractional, you can say. So this is 5/3. Then the last one is cosec A, which was the reciprocal of sine of any angle. This angle is A, so this will be 4/5. This is 5/4. So these are the remaining trigonometric ratios. One ratio is given to you, this is tan A. From this question, we know tan A is equal to 4/3, and you know tan A is the ratio between perpendicular and base, and E is the angle. So the facing side is BC is the perpendicular, and the alignment side AB is the baseline. So this will be the 4x or 3x and 3x. Sorry, this is 4x, perpendicular is 4x and base is 3x, because it is given to us because their ratio, the ratio of these two sides are 4/3. So this is 4x and 3x, and from Pythagoras theorem we evaluate the value of hypotenuse, because to evaluate other remaining ratios from trigonometry we have to find out the value of hypotenuse. So here by applying Pythagoras theorem we find out the value of hypotenuse, this is 5x, and then as per my last uploaded video, we know the relationship between which two sides to evaluate which ratios of trigonometry ratio. So these are the 5 remaining ratio we find out by applying the ratio of these two sides, where we can take perpendicular with hypotenuse, where we take perpendicular with baseline. So finally we have the 6 remaining ratio of trigonometry. Next question. This is another example I have taken from the same book, class 10 NCERT mathematics books. And ABC, here the question is ABC is a right angle at B and tan A. So this is the reference angle, this is tan A. Okay. So the facing side is BC, this is perpendicular, and the alignment side is AB. So this is the baseline and AC is the hypotenuse. Now you have to find out sin A cos A. You have to find out 2 sin A cos A. Okay. So you know tan A is a relationship between P and B. Tan A is a relationship between P and B. Here P is what? P is BC and B is AB. This is 1. So here BC is equal to AB. It means the length of BC and AB is equal. So BC and AB are 2 equal sides. You can say that ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Once again I repeat it. Here from this given question we find out that the alignment side of this right angle B both are equal. AB equal to BC. In which right angle triangle, if 2 sides are equal, then we can say this right angle triangle is an isosceles right angle triangle. So ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Now we have to find out sin A cos A. If you want to find out sin A cos A, then first you have to evaluate the value of H. So this is BC is equal to AB. Suppose BC is equal to X, then AB will be X. Both are taking X. According to Pythagoras theorem, H square is equal to P square plus B square. So this will be X square plus X square is equal to 2X square, which is equal to H square, and H will be root over of 2X square, which is equal to root 2X, which is equal to root 2X. So this is root 2X, this is X, and this is X. Now sin A. Sin A is the relationship ratio between P by H. Here P is X and H is root 2X. So X cancel, 1 by root 2. Similarly, cos A will be B by H. B is X and H is root 2X. X cancels, 1 by root 2. We have to evaluate the value of 2 sin A cos A. So let's evaluate the value. 2 sin A cos A. 2, the value of sin A, 1 by root 2. The value of cos A, 1 by root 2. This is 2, 1 into 1, 1. Root 2 into root 2, this is 2. 2 to cancel, your answer is 1. So, your answer will be 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. This is your answer. It means if it is a right angle triangle and given that the tan A is equal to 1, then the value of 2 sin A cos A will be 1. Otherwise you can say in an isosceles right angle triangle, the given question 2 sin A cos A will be 1. In my next video, we will discuss some more problem regarding these ratios of sides with referencing angle, any angle given in our questions. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video. Thank you.